Hey everybody and welcome. Today we are here in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee, and we're getting ready to take you guys along with us as we get ready to ride the newest mountain coaster here in East Tennessee. Where are we headed to today, boys?
Lost Mine Mountain Coaster.
Lost Mine Mountain Coaster.
Woo!
To ride the coaster here, if you're 13 or older, it's $17.99. Kids 8 to 12 are $13.99, and Cubs are $7.99. They also have mini golf, as you'll see right over here, next to the Hampton Inn on Teaster Lane. And to ride alone, you must be 54 inches, and to ride with an adult, 38 inches. And check out these old tickets. They almost look like old shares of stock. Really neat. What'd you find there, Gitry? Oh, Pyrite Fool's Gold. This is a cool little black bear hat right here. We got some miners here. I don't know if they have batteries in them. There they go. You guys ready to go into the mine? Here we got some hillbilly bears. These mugs are pretty cool. They actually have the paw prints built into them. And check this out. You go down like a mining tunnel as you get ready to ride the ride. So neat. Boys, we have to climb up this way. We gotta go all the way up there.
I don't think I'm afraid of heights, so.
This is a really neat cube.
Dynamite.
You see dynamite in there? Oh, you sure do.
Your worst fear.
Yeah, it is.
It's Bumblebee.
What's that, Henry? See the bear?
Whoa.
Here we go.
I'm excited to go up here.
Me too. You love mountain coasters, don't you?
Yeah, I want to go back to mountain coaster. Oh. It looks like another one.
Oh yeah, it's a bear.
And he's zip lining.
He sure is. Look at this one. He's cleaning up.
That one.
Yeah, look, he's cleaning up. There's one way out there in the distance. See him?
He's getting some bees.
All right, here we go. Are you ready? Ooh, this is smooth. This is fun. Ooh, there's a blast area. See the old mine train? Here we go. Ooh, this is a steep hill. This track is smooth. You can tell it's brand new for sure.
Hey, we're about to go through that tunnel.
Yeah.
It's all the way down there. Hey, I love things. Want to see something?
Slow this down. What do you think's in the tunnel?
Nothing's in the tunnel. Hey, some bags.
Yeah?
And some notes.
A mine cart. Oh, what do you see up there?
There! You want to get out of that. It's a big one.
Oh wow, we've got a really steep hill to go up over here.
Hey, look at the... looks like
It says stay out, keep out. The track is out.
the track is out.
Oh, what do you see a shadow of back there? says Barefoot Ridge. Oh, here's a nice little old Western village. There's a cemetery and a jail. And a bear that's sleeping, a saloon. And the Undertaker. Yeah. Slowing us down.
Yeah, because it says stop.
Yeah, it says end of track. But we're still going. Oh, there's some bears up there climbing up the ladder.
Yeah, we're about to go.
This is a really cool track.
Hey, that is another tunnel.
I think that's the one we went through just a second ago. We went through that one.
We did.
And that's where the bear was hanging upside down. Oh, there goes Mommy and Gentry. See them way back there?
They're going slow. And we're going fast.
Well, we started a little bit ahead of them, but we are going pretty fast.
Hey, there's another.
Oh, look at the views, Henry.
That's another
Look at that.
That's another bubble.
Sure is, but look at the views of the Smoky Mountains.
Hey, look. Oh, wait. That's a honey. Oh, wow. Oh, yeah.
Yeehaw! Yeah, it is. This is fun. I'm pushing the handle down as far as it can go. Oh, yeah.
We go there.
This is a great mountain coaster, isn't it?
Hey, what is that?
I think this may be my favorite mountain coaster yet. With the theming and
Hey, what is that?
it's a little village, and that's an outhouse. And look who's in there reading the newspaper.
Hey, it's Miss Katie.
What?
Hey, it's another door. Hey, it's another zip line again.
Uh-oh, we got some more loops. You ready? Here we go. Look at all of Pigeon Forge.
Hey, see? The village. Yeah!
All right, we are flying. All right.
Oh, they slowed us down.
Here comes Gentry and Jennifer. I would safely assume they don't have their handles all the way down. Definitely not. What do you guys think?
Hey, we go.
Let's do it again.
And if you'd like to ride it again before you leave, it's only $9.99 for a re-ride, as long as it's the same day. And when you're done with the coaster, you can warm up right here next to the fire. Henry, what'd you think about the coaster, buddy?
It was good. And the golden wheel hoops. And there's, we see another zip line. We've been like two zip lines. And yeah. And then We saw the village, and you can saw like instruction to another tunnel, and there was another tunnel, and then that was it.
Sounds like you were really paying attention. All right, and Gentry.
And if you're not a speed person like I am, it goes very slow, and that's good. And also, the scenery, very funny. You'll have a great time, and the fire warms you up after the ride. You definitely need to go there.
I was gonna say, after a cold day like today, that fire was something special. And Jennifer.
I really enjoyed this one. This is one of the best mountain coasters that we've been on. It's the longest, of course, but there's so much to see. It's not one that doesn't have anything, you know, like a setup. There's a whole storyline, like Henry was trying to say. But it's so cute, and you don't really have to do much as far as the brakes and everything on there. The way that they have everything leveled out, the grading and everything on there, you can coast a lot of the time on there and just barely hit it and just kind of enjoy.
So this is labeled as the longest mountain coaster in this area, and I believe that. They said based upon the speed, it can last from anywhere between 10 to 18 minutes. A lot of fun, great theming. There are certain areas where we went pretty fast. We put our handlebars all the way down. Henry and I did anyway, and a lot of speed. And overall, this was a blast. We were even talking about, do we pay the $9.99 and do it again, or do we come back another day? This was a lot of fun, guys. Do not shy away from this. If you're looking for a mountain coaster, I would go straight to this one. We've been on pretty much every single mountain coaster here in the Sevierville, Pigeon Forge, Gatlinburg area. By far, collectively, our favorite. Hey guys, we thank you so much for joining us here in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee at the Lost Mine Mountain Coaster. And we sure do look forward to seeing you on the next episode of Every Day is Saturday.
Woo!